Monday's court appearance is the first time the media were allowed to film the former president's criminal trial, where he was seated in the defendant's chair before proceedings began. During the first day of his criminal trial last week, the former president defended himself in court, speaking for more than 90 minutes, denying that he had committed insurrection. If found guilty, Yoon would become the third South Korean president to be found guilty of insurrection after two military leaders in connection with a 1979 coup. For charges of insurrection, Yoon could be sentenced to life in prison or the maximum penalty, the death sentence. Last week, police attempted to raid Yoon's former presidential office and his security detail as part of a probe into alleged obstruction of an arrest warrant execution, but failed after presidential security denied them permission into the residence. Yoon spent weeks in his compound in January, protected by members of the Presidential Security Service who had remained loyal to him. In a related development, a Vietnamese property tycoon who was jailed for life in a $17 billion money laundering case had her sentence cut to 30 years on appeal on Monday after she claimed what happened was an accident. Property developer Trong My Lan had already lost a challenge against the death penalty in a separate case in which she was found guilty in April last year of stealing money from Ssanghong Commercial Bank and fraud amounting to $27 billion. An appeal court in Ho Chi Minh City ruled on Monday that a life sentence she was handed for 3 crimes during a second trial in October will be reduced to 30 years. Prosecutors said she had repaid a quarter of the $1.2 billion she defrauded from thousands of bond investors. Tens of thousands of people who had invested their savings in the bank lost money, prompting rare protests in the communist nation. Chukwunonsonwa Bueze, NTN News.